Threshold Crypto is a cryptography technology that allows developers to build cryptographic operations without using an intermediary. In other words, the project improves security and privacy across blockchains. The Threshold protocol allows you to invest your Bitcoin on other networks, not just the Bitcoin network. Also, you don't need to give it to a custodial or centralized intermediary before supplying liquidity to another network. Instead, by getting 1 TBTC, you can stake your Bitcoin on the Ethereum network. Threshold cryptography distributes cryptographic keys to the parties involved in the transaction so that they can execute their wishes without using the typical third party. Now, the limitations of traditional crypto exchanges are less. You should also pay attention to the major players in Threshold Crypto. They include the Keep Network and New Cipher.
We provide custom software development, recruitment, and consulting services worldwide in the fields of fintech, DeFi, cryptocurrencies, and blockchain. Outsource your software development and recruitment to qqNade. Send your inquiries to info@qqNade.com. We are always hiring top software developers based anywhere in the world. Send us your resume. See more details in the description to this video and at qqNade.com.
Now, what is the role of threshold cryptography? First, it improves security for blockchain projects. Threshold cryptography works in a way that the fraudulent party can only gain entry after compromising multiple shareholders at the same time. So, how does this work, and who are shareholders? For starters, the keys are broken down into shares, and the participants of the operation each get an equal portion. The share is part of the original key, but it is useless alone. It only works when combined with other shares to reconstruct the original key. A good example is when the system breaks the key into 3 shares. At least 2 of the 3 shares are required to perform a cryptographic operation. Unless there is a concurrence, the execution cannot take place. That way, it's guaranteed that no single participant has all the information they need to execute the operation independently. Another essential function is increased privacy. No single party has access to the entire key, so sensitive data can stay private even if one or more parties are compromised. Without all the portions of the key, nobody can access what's unauthorized. It's difficult, if not impossible, for hackers to steal the private key, because they can only do that after combining the different parties' shares. Also, linking transactions to a specific user is more complicated, because no single party has the complete key. Threshold Crypto also enhances scalability. The protocol allows more people to execute cryptocurrency functions without sacrificing security or privacy. Scalability explains how well a crypto trading platform executes increasing trading volume without exposing you and other users to technical issues or slowdowns. In other words, a scalable cryptocurrency trading platform does not tamper with the network's speed, security, or efficiency, even with increased demand. Scalability is important because the volume of transactions in the cryptocurrency market changes dramatically. So, trading platforms must be able to handle large spikes in trading volume without crashing or experiencing downtime. Cryptocurrency trading is becoming more popular, so an exchange platform will be behind if it doesn't upgrade its services. Better algorithms, wider server capacity, and decentralized systems can take care of the problem of scalability. These are aspects the Threshold cryptography platform tackles. Now that we've gotten that out of the way, what are the real-world use cases of threshold cryptography? Threshold cryptography has many potential applications. The first one is secure, multi-party cryptocurrency transactions. Threshold cryptography allows multiple parties to merge cryptocurrency computations without revealing their inputs to each other. This enhances privacy and security. Another use case is blockchain technology. Threshold cryptography encourages multiple parties to sign transactions or blocks. This improves security and decentralization in blockchain networks. Usually a single entity has the private key, which grants access to their cryptocurrency or other digital assets. In this scenario, it is easier to execute a breach because there's only one party to overcome. However, threshold cryptography offers a system that's trickier to hack into. This provides better infrastructure for more secure data sharing. With threshold cryptography, Sensitive data stays private, even though all parties can access and analyze that data. It all boils down to identity management. Threshold Crypto works with two major players, which I mentioned earlier in passing. Let's start with the qqNetwork. qqNetwork is an open-source protocol. It allows secure data storage and computation networks on public blockchains like Ethereum. This provides a decentralized infrastructure where data storage and computation can occur off-chain. This encourages developers to build privacy-preserving applications that can interact with public blockchains. It also makes it easier for them. The qqNetwork requires a bunch of components to function. The first is the Keep Core. The Keep Core is the major component of the network. It identifies as a technology for off-chain storage and computation. Keep Core provides a secure and decentralized environment for storing data and executing computations. Another essential feature that helps the qqNetwork stay relevant is the Keep Random Beacon. It's a random number generator that provides the randomness of the network. This is a method for choosing participants for tasks the network requires, like signing transactions or performing computations. The qqNetwork deals with privacy and scalability limitations on blockchains. It permits off-chain computation and storage. It also provides the tools for developers to build decentralized applications or dApps to process sensitive data without making it public. The other key player in the Threshold Crypto merger is NuCypher. NuCypher is a decentralized key management and encryption platform. It is built on the Ethereum blockchain. It exists so decentralized applications can securely store and share data. NuCypher also provides a re-encryption service that allows users to decrypt data without publicizing the encryption key. The owner of the data provides the encryption key and can allow others to access it. There are many uses for NuCypher. First, it makes data sharing more secure, accessible, and straightforward. Another important benefit is refined access control. Through access control, secure communication within the network becomes possible. Imagine this. The medical industry can become much better if hospitals can send patient data to researchers without exposing sensitive information like the identity of patients. In another scenario, financial institutions can use NuCypher to store sensitive customer information without preventing authorized parties from getting the necessary data. NuCypher also focuses on privacy and security in the decentralized finance industry. The relationship between qqNetwork and NuCypher birthed an innovative project called Threshold Crypto. It was formerly known as Project Keanu, which is likely a merger between Keep and NuCypher. Threshold Crypto brings the best of both DeFi projects to life. Threshold Crypto is more of a cryptographic project. It's used to improve privacy and scalability on the blockchain.
We provide custom software development, recruitment, and consulting services worldwide in the fields of fintech, DeFi, cryptocurrencies, and blockchain. Outsource your software development and recruitment to qqNade. Send your inquiries to info@qqNade.com. We are always hiring top software developers based anywhere in the world. Send us your resume. See more details in the description to this video and at qqNade.com.